Welcome back. In the last video, we saved our Food 101 class names to a text file, and then we also wrote some code to read them back into a list. So now let's keep working towards making the required files for our Food Vision Big demo. We're up to 11.3, which is turning our Food Vision Big model into a Python script. In other words, model.py, which we have subsequently done before with Food Vision Mini. So if we were to scroll back up to Food Vision Mini, we created model.py up here. You know what we can do? We're going to cheat a little and copy this whole file, because we used the same model for Food Vision Mini as we did for Food Vision Big. The only thing we did for Food Vision Big was adjust the number of classes. And of course, our create EffNetB2 model function is flexible enough that we can just do that on the fly. So let's bring this down to here. The only thing we have to change for this cell is, instead of Food Vision Mini, we want to do Food Vision Big. So if we run that, what do we get? Let's check our file system. Food Vision Big, model.py. There we go. Wonderful. So that is done. The next step is to create a Gradio app, 11.4. Now, of course, we've already done this with Food Vision Mini, app.py. So that's my challenge to you, is turning our Food Vision Mini or Food Vision Big Gradio app into a Python script. So we're going to skip the creating of the demo app in Google Colab. You're more than welcome to try that out. But we're going to create app.py straight away because we've had some practice already, and that way we're one step closer to deploying our model on Hugging Face spaces. So give that a shot. You might want to reference this section up here, app.py for Food Vision Mini, but remember, you're going to have to change a few little details so that it works for Food Vision Big. Let's do that in the next video.